Welcome to another episode of Ignition Waves, our news bulletin radiating from the XTTI campus of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology and Xavier University, Patna. I am Divendu Divyam from the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication. Let's have a look at the top stories of February so far. Starting with some campus news, on February 4th, 2026, the placement cell of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, Patna, hosted an insightful counseling session titled MBA, Job, or Entrepreneurship Making the Right Career Move After Graduation. The program was led by Dr. Ekta Saraswat from IILM University, who provided students with a roadmap for navigating postgraduate opportunities by focusing on aligning individual skill sets with industry's demand. Dr. Saraswat helped students weigh the pros and cons of corporate employment versus starting a venture. This interactive dialogue empowered the graduating batch with the clarity needed to make informed decisions about their professional futures. Gandhi Fellowship was organized on February 6, 2026 for BBA and BAJMC students. Ms. Anupma Jha, Mr. Nasir Hassan and Ms. Bhavya Gautam introduced the 23 months residential program aimed at transforming public system in aspirational districts. They highlighted the eligibility criteria including graduation by June 2026, academic requirements, age limits, willingness to work in rural areas, and commitment to the 23 months program. They further explained the benefits of the fellowships such as stipend, mobility support, medical insurance, mentorship, and post-fellowship career support. Xavier University, Patna held its annual Sports Day Asman 2026 on February 7th, featuring a ceremonial torch relay and a series of high-energy competitions including track races, relay, field events, and inter-house tournaments in football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, and indoor games. Chief guest Mr. Amit Lodha, IPS IG Government of Bihar, who addressed the gathering and shared valuable insights on leadership, perseverance, and the role of sports in shaping resilient individuals. The School of Management dominated the chart to win the overall championship with 258 points. The School of Computer Science secured second with 176 points, followed by Arts and Humanities at 109 points, and the School of Commerce at 42 points. This event stood as a grand celebration of teamwork and character building through diverse athletic disciplines. On 11th February 2026, the placement cell of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology successfully organized the Mega Campus Recruitment Drive 2026. Experts from Scenic Skills and Technology including Mr. Ayush Kumar Gupta, Mrs. Amrita Sinha, and Ms. Ankita provided essential insights into industry's expectations and career growth. The event served as a vital platform for students to the recruitment process, featured a technical-based test for BCA students, while those from BBA and BCP interact directly with the reputed companies and align their skills with modern market demands. The Department of Mass Communication organized a practical exposure to visit the Radio Mirchi station in Patna on February 13th, 2026 for BAMC Part 1 students, guided by RJ Shashi and program head Miss Anjani. Students observed live studio operations, production workflows, and the nuances of professional broadcasting. This visit allowed aspiring media professionals to bridge the gap between classroom theory and the real-world dynamic of audio media. By interacting with industry experts, students gained valuable insights into the creative and technical demands of a career in the radio industry. On February 19, 2026, the Department of English at Xavier University, Patna, under the guidance of IQAC, organized a national seminar titled Art, Culture and Literature in Bihar, a dialogue between past and present. The event was graced by Chief Guest Sri Pranav Kumar, IAS, graced the importance of preserving regional history in a globalized world. Scholars and researchers presented papers in hybrid seminar, exploring themes of translation, folk tradition, and contemporary literary discourse. This academic initiative successfully fostered a deeper understanding of Bihar's rich heritage among the student and faculty community. On 21st February 2026, Xavier University Patna organized a drug abuse awareness seminar for first-year students, conducted by officials from Narcotics Control Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs. The seminar provided critical information on preventive awareness, the legal consequences of substance abuse, and the vital role youth play in building a responsible society. Online student development program on startup readiness and growth strategies was held on February 25th, 2026 for Part 3 students. The seminar featured Professor Dr. Umesh Srivastava from MIT World Peace University, who discussed the essential framework for building a sustainable business, from evaluating initial startup ideas to navigating early stage growth hurdles. This virtual interaction allowed students to engage with practical business model and real-life case studies of innovative leadership. Now let's move on with some national news making headlines across the nation. The Union Budget 2026-27 presented by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on February 1st, 2026 focused on the theme of Viksit Bharat, with a record total expenditure of 53.5 lakh crore rupees. A standout feature is the historic 7.8 lakh crore rupees allocation to the Ministry of Defence, reflecting a 15% jump to prioritize military modernization and domestic procurement. The budget also targets a fiscal deficit of 4.3% of GDP, signaling a commitment to fiscal discipline while boosting public infrastructure spending to 12.2 lakh crore rupees. Moving forward, let's take a glance beyond our nation's border. On February 28, 2026, with President Trump confirming major combat operation by the US and Israel against Iran. This military action follows a breakdown in nuclear negotiations and involves preemptive strikes on 5 Iranian cities including Tehran. You have been watching Ignatian Waves. This is Divendu Divyam signing off with reporter Ankit Kumar, camera person Yash Raj, and editor Sriman. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Jai Xaviers, Jai Bharat.